If you're working a high stress job, stress eating is your golden ticket to obesity. Okay, the truth is, eating junk food when you're stressed will actually reduce your stress levels, but the problem is you're creating a vicious cycle. Picture this: let's say you're super stressed and now you eat a packet of potato chips, and after you ate the chips you actually feel better, but now your brain starts to associate the junk food with your stress levels being lowered, so it starts to become dependent on the junk food. Now over time you're going to need more and more junk food to actually reduce your stress levels, so it's a vicious cycle that will eventually lead to you gaining a lot of weight and overall being unhealthy. So instead of being reliant on junk food to reduce your stress levels, rather do something that's not going to negatively affect you. So go for a workout or do anything else that won't set you back when it comes to your fitness or weight loss goals. Hope this helps.